Let's talk about our top 10 free course creator software. So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. Number 10, you have Talentsoft, our score, 8.1 over 10. So if you think about Talentsoft, I want you to think about a tool that is primarily focused on talent management, strategies, and learning. And this is a mobile-friendly, cloud-based e-learning software that allows you to train your workforce and boost employee performance at scale. And through its course and SCORM creator software, you can actually create SCORM-compliant learning programs and provide learners with highly engaging, gamified content. What we love about Talentsoft is that it also includes a digital content platform that gives you access to training content created by the Talentsoft's partners. Fantastic. So you have an authoring tool, you have gamification, you have mobile access. So this is so you have you have a free product, and you have a free trial upon request, but you need to contact Talentsoft for more information. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Number 9, you have 360 Learning, our score, 8.5 over 10. So when you think about 360 Learning, I want you to think about an LMS, learning management system, and collaborative e-learning platform designed with a course creator, a content integration system, and an analytics dashboard. Their intuitive course authoring suite requires no technical skills to use and enables you to create courses in just a few minutes. So we love that a lot. We love that flexibility here. So whether you are creating a new leadership training program or an active listening training course, designing lessons only takes a few clicks. You can also include learning resources like videos, images, blog articles, and you can do research topics into your course to keep training content up to date and engaging. And with 360 Learning, your workers also have access to collaborative learning features like discussion boards and group pages that allow them to participate in meetings with both you and their fellow employees. In terms of highlights here, you have an authoring tool, you have integrations, a dashboard, and you have collaborative learning. And in terms of pricing, you have a 14-day free trial, and the price is available through a quote request after that. Number 8, you have AdaptiveU, our score, 8.8 over 10. AdaptiveU is actually a course creator software that allows you to create simple lessons and combine them into courses. So the flexibility is there right off the bat. And so the free plan allows you to create up to 10 challenges and invite 10 active users to take them. Then the start page can be customized to be more personalized to your training, and courses are created using a simple, easy to use editing tool that contains various media options such as files, documents, and pop quizzes. It also gives you access to reports and allows you to track data. So this is kind of cool. In terms of highlights here, you have a course creator, and you have analytics, and the price is free. Boss, by the way, let me quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about our top 10 free course creator software tools. Number 7, you have Tovuti LMS, our score, 8.9 over 10. So when you think about Tovuti LMS, think about a learning management platform that you can use to streamline your employee training process. And so we love the flexibility with Tovuti because you can actually create online training programs. You can actually track the programs, you can manage them. And so they have a built-in course creator suite where you can create, schedule, and deploy interactive courses in just a few easy steps. And you can also include gamification and leaderboard features to encourage them to complete their assigned learning task. So things like gamification, things like leaderboard, those things are great when it comes to boosting engagement. And you gotta have engagement if you want your course to succeed. Okay, if you want to integrate synchronous learning sessions into your training, Tovuti LMS's live virtual classroom allows you to meet with your team members in real time and discuss learning content through third-party online video conference platforms. Okay, here we're talking about GoToMeetings or Zoom. This is kind of important. So when you think about Tovuti, I want you to think about course authoring. I want you to think about notifications in real time. I want you to think about leaderboards, okay? And I want you to think about a virtual classroom. So the price, you have the free version, but if you want to actually optimize your features, then you need to have to actually commit to a paid version, but you need to contact Tovuti to have more information. Number 6, you have EdApp, Our Score. 9/10. So when you think about EdApp, think about a free course creator software. This is actually, it's basically a mobile first course creator software tool that lets you create, personalize, and deliver high quality learning content through a user-friendly course creator. So the cool thing about the EdApp is that it really adapts to your niche, it adapts to your situation. It offers a library of 80 to 100 fully interactive and immersive course creator templates. This is really good. They are readily available for you. So this allows you to quickly and easily create engaging micro-learning courses, which are proven to have an average of 80% completion rate. So this is kind of cool. And when you think about EdApp, I want you to think about a built-in AI translation tool that even allows you to deliver courses in multiple languages at scale in just a few clicks. It's just fantastic. And so this is really great. And when we talk about important highlights, you have data-driven authoring tool, template library, AI translation feature, and Canva integration. And the price, you have the free, but also you have a paid version here. Number 5, you have Domino, Our Score. 9.2/10. So Domino, think of Domino as an all-in-one cloud-based e-learning LMS that comes complete with a course creator and content management system. The web-based software is designed to help you collaborate as a team in real time and create well-optimized learning content with just one tool. Fantastic. This platform allows you to design interactive content on any device using a range of templates and the digital assets and deploy completed learning materials on any device. It also provides translation and localization capabilities that allow you to choose from over 50 languages to translate learning content for learners from a specific region. So this is kind of cool. So when we talk about highlights here, we are talking about mobile learning, real-time collaboration, you have translation, you have localization. So in terms of pricing, you have a free version. But if you want to really avail yourself of the more powerful features, you're going to have to sign up for the paid version. Number 4, you have CoAssemble, Our Score. 9.5/10. So when you think about CoAssemble, I want you to think about an e-learning creator software designed to provide a user-friendly course creator that makes the creation of interactive learning materials easier for managers and effective for your personnel. What am I trying to say here? I'm trying to say that you can use CoAssemble within your company when it comes to company corporate educational goals, but also for a commercial purpose. If you choose the former, then you really want to make sure that you are speaking to various stakeholders. What we love about CoAssemble is that basically this platform makes it a lot easier for you to know exactly what kind of delivery you want to have. And so this training software allows you to transform your old presentations as well as PDFs and documents into engaging online courses with its available screen templates that support various media forms and provide interactive elements. So again, the flexibility is there, the efficiency is there, the scalability is there. And what we love about CoAssemble is that you have e-learning creator software that really does things for you automatically. And you can, for instance, you can actually evaluate your personnel's knowledge retention through pop quizzes or activity-based challenges. A certificate is also given to your employees upon course completion. And so what are the most important highlights the most important features you want to really pay attention to here when you think about CoAssemble? First of all, think about a course builder. A course builder that's really fast. It really gives you suggestions as you build the course. In other words, based on the niche that you have, the inbuilt algorithm within the software will suggest certain topics to you. You have interactive quizzes. So again, when we talk about quizzes in general, not even talk about interactive, but quizzes in general are great for boosting engagement. You also want to have you also have within CoAssemble a course completion certificate at the end. So this is kind of cool. And in terms of pricing, you have a free version and then you have the paid version. So the free version is kind of cool though. I mean, it's kind of cool to sort of test it out. But if you want more capabilities unlocked, then you have to go to the paid version. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about our top 10 free course creator software this year. Number 3, you have CourseLab, our score. 9.6 over 10. So when you think about CourseLab, think about another free authoring software and online course development software for building interactive e-learning course that can be published on the web or on a learning management platform. What we love about CourseLab is that basically you have a free version, but you also have a pro version, and the pro version is way better though. I mean, the free version is good and not really that bad, but the pro version is way better. And so with the free version, you can make slot-based courses with images, videos, complex multi-object interactions, and quizzes. And this software also comes with a set of e-learning templates. However, in our view, the program creator is not as intuitive, so it can be complicated to use it if you're a beginner, if you have no idea when it comes to authoring tools for e-learning. So you might have to account for a steep learning curve, at least at the beginning. The first 2 weeks, you might have to spend time on studying the dashboard, for instance, or the functionalities. And this tool is better suited for more experienced developers who have an idea of how LMS authoring tools work and are more comfortable navigating the platform. So what are the most important features you need to pay attention to here? When we talk about CourseLab, think of it as an all-in-one authoring tool. You have available e-learning templates and you have multimedia tools. So e-learning templates are kind of cool because you do not have to reinvent the wheel, nor do you want to. You want to use tools. You want to use templates that have proven successful in the past and just replicate. It's all about rinse and repeat, right? This is important. And another thing that I want to say here is that when it comes to CourseLab, remember that they're constantly innovating. They're constantly updating the free version, but also the paid version. So ask yourself, are you better off going with the free version, or should you just rather sign up right now for CourseLab Pro? Number 2, you have ProProfs, our score. 9.8 over 10. Boss, we're still talking about the top 10 free course creator software. And so when we talk about ProProfs, you need to understand that ProProfs is designed to help training consultants ease up the process of creating training content. And this is a SaaS LMS platform. So SaaS, software as a service, LMS, learning management system. So you are able to do a lot of things. And with ProProfs, you have an online course creator that allows you to create courses and quizzes with hundreds of available templates and media content. And this is kind of cool. And we love the flexibility that ProProfs introduces to the market. For example, here is a platform that provides a premium course library available with pre-made courses on topics such as compliance, customer service, inclusive leadership training courses, and many more that you can easily deploy to your personnel. And so basically, one thing we also love with ProProfs is that the software directly or indirectly promotes actually a collaborative learning environment through features like discussion forums and virtual classrooms. And so through its training management system, you are able to efficiently streamline processes in developing training materials, as well as track the progress of each employee. So this is really fantastic. And in terms of highlights, you have access to authoring templates, for instance. You have a premium course library, so we love this a lot. You have a virtual classroom, and you have learning management. The thing about ProProfs is that this tool is highly customizable and highly scalable. So basically, when you start with 10 students or with 10 users, if you move from 10 to 100 or 10 to 10,000, you are still good to go because the tool will adapt to your increased user base. This is why you have to set it out properly from the get-go. One thing I also need to say here is that when we talk about ProProfs, I want to say that this software integrates with all kinds of formats, from video to audio to photo, and so on and so forth. Number one, when it comes to the top 10 free course creator software, is Easy. Our score, 9.9 over 10. So It's Easy is another wonderful free tool here, and you are able to build professional e-learning course. And It's Easy actually has powerful cloud-based authoring tool capabilities, and you also have within this software you have a free online training generator. This is really important. Let me repeat that. You have a free online training generator. So It's Easy is generating for you your free online training topics. Okay. And so here is software that has a simple interface and intuitive editing system. So you're able to quickly design, publish you can design and publish learning materials, and you don't need to have technical design skills. The software takes care of that for you, and everything is done in the background automatically. Okay. And so this online course creator software enables you to choose from a range of well-designed slide templates and course layouts, personalize your images, and translate courses with ease. So this is kind of cool. You can also customize your course by adding interactive elements like quizzes, catalogs, and timelines. And but with the free version, courses are published with an It's Easy watermark. So if you don't want the It's Easy watermark, then you just go with the paid version. So to deploy courses more efficiently, the Collaborator tool is a handy feature that allows different users to simultaneously edit a single course. So when we talk about It's Easy, what are the features which you need to think about? Well, you have slide templates, you have collaborative tool capabilities, you have course translations. So you do have a lot of capabilities here. In terms of pricing, of course, you have the free version, but the free version is really basic. Really basic. And if you want to really unlock all the functionalities, as I said before, it's just better to go with the paid version. This is where the juice is really at. And this is where you enjoy all the capabilities here. This is where you really see how good It's Easy is. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Before we actually recap to this conversation, let me introduce you our approach when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and listing top 10 free course creator software. All right, quickly recap here. Number one, we have It's Easy, 9.9 over 10. Number two, ProProfs, 9.8 over 10. Number three, Course Lab, 9.6 over 10. Number four, CoAssemble, 9.5 over 10. Number five, Domino, 9.2 over 10. Number six, EdApp, 9 over 10. Number seven, Tawoti LMS, we have 8.9 over 10. Number eight, Adaptive U, 8.8 over 10. Number nine, 360 Learning, our score, 8.5 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have here Talentsoft, our score, 8.1 over 10. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.